It's the word of the day. Let's expand our vocabulary. Word of the day. Let's increase our vocabulary. Word of the day. Let's broaden our vocabulary. Word of the day. Let's enlarge our vocabulary. Word of the day. It's time for the word of the day. It's time for the word of the day. Let's go to the word of the day. Hey everyone! Today's word of the day is Benison. Can you say Benison? Good job! Benison has 3 syllables. Ben-i-sin. Benison. A benison is a blessing. Benison is a noun. Remember, nouns are person, place, thing, and sometimes ideas. Here's a sentence using the word Benison. Are you ready? All right. Sarah's pastor always ends church with a benison. Synonyms for the word benison are gift, favor, kindness, or help. Remember, synonyms are words that are similar or alike. Can you use the word benison in a sentence? You can? That's awesome! I'm so proud of you. You now know a new word. I can't wait to hear you use it. See you next time.